Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Monzo card to Google Wallet. First, open the Google Wallet app and tap the Add to Wallet button located at the bottom right corner. On the screen, select the Payment Card option. You'll then see a list of all the cards already linked to your Google Wallet. To add your Monzo card, tap New Credit or Debit Card. Next, enter your Monzo card details. You can scan the card using your phone's camera and the information will autofill. If that doesn't work, tap Enter Details manually and input the card information yourself. Once done, tap Next. You may be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Simply agree to them. Then, verify your identity either by receiving a code on your registered mobile number or by uploading a government-issued ID. After completing the verification, your Monzo card will be successfully added to your Google Wallet. And that's it. That's how you add your Monzo card to your Google Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.